Hi everyone, I'm Robin from Faith and Flour, and today I want to show you our Trader Joe haul. I love watching grocery haul videos because I love getting all of the ideas from other people about what's new out there and what they like so we can give some new things a try. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. And before we get started with me showing you everything we bought today, I want to explain a little bit about our complicated diet. First of all, we pretty much eat a plant-based diet, which some people like to call vegan. We're probably not quite as strict as a vegan diet, but we try to eliminate most animal products. I, for one, have a hard time with dairy. I'm lactose intolerant, and even with Lactaid pills and things like that, I still just can't digest dairy. So we don't have that. And then my son needs to be gluten and soy free. So it's a little bit complicated, but we make it work. And a lot of my recipes that I share with you guys show what we eat. So if you have similar diet restrictions, maybe you can get some ideas. But that's the thinking in mind with the shop that we did today. So you'll notice me saying, you know, this is vegan or this is soy free or gluten free or whatever, and that's what I'm talking about, but just a little background. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Let's get started. I'll start with the frozen items and the produce so that I can put those away. First of all, we love to get our produce from Trader Joe's. These mandarin oranges that we've been getting are so good. They're tiny, but they're packed full of flavor, and so we'll be enjoying those until the season is over. And here are some bell peppers. I like to use those in different recipes, and of course, onions. I usually search for the organic ones if the price is reasonable, and also the sweet. I'm going to make some portobello mushroom burgers for dinner tonight. And here are some avocados. I've found that these are really good from Trader Joe's, especially if you let them ripen on the counter and then move them to the refrigerator. They last quite a while. Pearl tomatoes, zucchini, and this is something new that I thought I would try. They're roasted vegetables that are frozen, so we haven't tried those before. And these vegetable masala burgers are great. Those are not gluten-free, so my husband and I have those sometimes for lunch. The soy ice cream is also just for my husband and I. And you've seen this chopped basil in some of my recipes. I love that. These chickenless mandarin orange morsels are something new that we found, and my husband and I thought that might be fun to try for lunch. They are vegan, but not soy-free. And tonight I'm going to serve these garlic fries with our portobello burgers. I like having these shredded hash browns and the asparagus spears in my freezer. They're great staple items to keep on hand. Now I'll show you the rest of the items that we bought today. Starting with the breads. This is the gluten-free bread that Trader Joe's has. It's actually my son's favorite, so I usually keep plenty of that in the freezer and take it out as he needs it. And these hamburger buns are not gluten-free. They're for my husband and I also keep those in the freezer. And I freeze this tandoori naan for my husband and I. We love that. And we always get our nuts from Trader Joe's, both for baking and just for snacking. These coconut cashews were something new that I saw, and I can't wait to give those a try. They look delicious. We get our coffee from Trader Joe's. And here are some other things that we regularly get. This chili lime seasoning blend. And we always get salsas. Here's some new ones actually we haven't tried. This harissa salsa. And this was a chipotle black bean dip. We're going to give that a try. And this corn chili is probably my family's favorite. We love that, and I always have 2 or 3 of those in my pantry. As well as this organic vegetable stock, which I like to keep on hand. Another new item we're going to try is this falafel mix, and it is both gluten-free, vegan, and soy-free. So that's great for all 3 of us. Their sun-dried tomatoes are also delicious and usually a lot better deal than at the grocery store. I like their black beans, and I got some lentils this week. I plan to do a vegetable lentil soup. And we stocked up on some different sauces. We got this Thai green curry simmer sauce, which I've made before with some chickpeas, which was great. And here's a new one for us, this Thai yellow curry sauce, so we'll give that one a try. Interestingly, they had a red curry sauce, but that had eggs in it. This Carolina Gold barbecue sauce is something we really love too. And pizza sauce, of course. And lately we've been eating a lot of these fire roasted red peppers in wraps for lunch and things like that. On to the snacks. These ridge cut potato chips are so good. And a new one for us is this popcorn with herbs and spices. We usually have a bag of these blue tortilla chips on hand. And my son picked out these Bomba peanut snacks. I have no idea what they are, but he assured me that they were gluten and soy free. Also banana chips. These seaweed snacks are for my husband and for my son who's away at college. I'm going to send a few in a care package I'm getting together. And this white cheddar popcorn is for my son who's not vegan. And these dark chocolate covered cherries are for me. I love just about anything covered in dark chocolate, and I will share. That's it for this haul. We bought quite a few things, but I still will probably need to supplement a little bit at our local grocery store, especially for a few of the things that I can't find for my son at Trader Joe's. Thanks for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you will give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.